Hi, my name is Greg Worley with the Mini Excavator Product Group at Caterpillar. Today I'd like to talk to you about safety, particularly on the CAT Mini Hydraulic Excavators. Starting off with the operator and the PPE, personal protective equipment. You'll see I've got my safety vest on, I've got my work boots. Some jobs and applications you'll require gloves to protect your hands. You can wear clear glasses or tinted safety glasses. Hard hat is required on some job sites and some applications. And if you're in a machine like the machine behind me, which is a canopy machine, you also may require hearing protection for some applications. Now let's look at getting up into the machine. As with all construction equipment, you get in with 3 points of contact. 2 hands, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 hand. You'll also find grab rails on all CAT excavators to make sure that you can get into the machine quickly, efficiently, and safely. Now once you're up in the machine, the first thing you need to do is put on your seat belt. Safety feature built into all CAT excavators is the retractable seat belt. Having a retractable seat belt over a lap seat belt means the seat belt is always clean and you'll always use it. Lap belts fall to the ground, get tucked in behind the seat, and then people don't use it. So all CAT mini hydraulic excavators, retractable seat belt, and on some of our larger machines we have the 3-inch seat belt to make you feel very secure and very comfortable when you're operating the machine. All CAT mini excavators have a hydraulic safety interlock right here. If you put this lever down, the machine will not actually start. So the interlock must be up to start the engine. And once the engine is running, nothing will operate on the machine until the safety interlock is put into the down position. Once down, your machine will travel and you can use the hydraulics and move the linkage. The reason for the safety interlock is on these smaller machines, if you go to get out, you don't want to hit a lever by accident and make the machine move in your direction. So it forces you to lift the interlock up before you go get out of the machine. That way nothing will move unexpectedly and you'll stay safe working into the machine. Another standard feature on all CAT equipment are travel alarms or reversing alarms. The rules say on an excavator, no travel alarm is required because if you have an unimpeded view of your travel direction, you do not require an alarm. Obviously, an excavator goes 360 degrees, so you always have an unimpeded view of your travel direction if you wish. At Caterpillar, we say if it moves, sound an alarm. So on an excavator, whether you're moving forward or backwards, you will hear a travel alarm to alert those working near and around the machine that the machine is in motion. To enhance safety on our cab machines, we do now have a camera option. 2 views of the camera, a wide angle, or you can press a button on your compass monitor and get a close-up shot of where you're working behind the machine. Now it's an option on the 3.5 to 5.5 ton machines, but it's standard on our 7 and 8 ton machines. Once again, making sure that everybody working near and around the machine is kept safe. Another tip I'd like to share with you is when you go to get off the machine. Stop the machine, swing the cab over the top of the track a little bit so that you can get stepped down from the machine onto the track and then onto the ground. Just makes it a little bit more safer for you. Also, if you're working at night on our new E2 series machines, 3.5 ton through to 8 ton, we have a safety courtesy light. So if you're working at night with your boom light on, your cab light on, it will illuminate your work area. But when you go park the machine, swing the cab over, get off the track, switch the machine off, you'll see that the work lights will come back on. 3 points of contact off the machine onto the track, safely onto the ground. Your work lights will stay on up to 90 seconds to allow you to get off the job site safely and carefully over to your exit vehicle at the end of the night. Thank you for your time and listening to this safety video on the CAT mini hydraulic excavators. Remember that the operation and maintenance manual is full of good safety tips and information on your machine. Also, if you have any further questions, you can always contact your local CAT dealer.